Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 7.4 first question, which is given. Show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. We should show hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle. How we need to show? I did the solution here. See here, I took triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. Okay, here right angle at B, here right angle at B. Okay, now we should show this AC is the hypotenuse, that is the hypotenuse which is longest side we need to show. Okay, let triangle ABC be right angle at B, then angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. Why? Because this is already 90. This sum of two remaining angles 90 means 90 plus 90 180. In a triangle, sum of all three angles 180. No, that's what here I am taking angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. If this sum is 90, then these two are acute angles. Yes or no? Less than 90 only, no? Acute angles. Both are acute. So now angle A is less than angle B. This is acute angle means this is angle B 90, no? So acute means less than 90. So angle A is less than angle B. Okay. Now if angle A is less than angle B, then we should take the sides. Angle A opposite side is BC. So BC is less than AC. Angle B opposite side is AC. So if BC is less than AC means AC is the greatest side when compared to BC. Okay. Now also angle C is less than angle B. Why? Because here angle C we said that acute, no? So this is 90, this is less than 90. So this is only greater angle. Okay. Now which implies angle C in the sense that opposite side is AB. AB is less than angle B means AC. So in both the cases, AC only greater when compared to remaining two sides. See, BC and AB, when compared to these two sides, AC only greater in these two conditions. Okay, so AC is the hypotenuse, is the longest side. Okay, that is only our requirement. Very simple. Okay, next second question. What is given? Once look it here. Second question, in adjacent figure, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. Also, angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Show that angle C is greater than show that AC is greater than AB. We need to show side AC is greater than AB. Okay, how we should? Very simple. This is also here I took the figure, this triangle ABC, and AB and AC are produced to P and Q respectively. Produced in the sense we need to extend. The side AB is extended to P, side AC also extended to Q. Okay. Now from the figure we need to write angle PBC. Angle PBC. This is the exterior angle for this triangle ABC. Okay, in this triangle ABC, this angle is exterior. These two are interior opposite angles. So we know the condition, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, so that only I wrote here. Angle PBC is equal to angle A plus angle ACB. Okay, these two are interior opposite angles. Sum I took. And the same condition here also. Angle QCB. QCB. This is the exterior angle for this triangle. With respect to triangle ABC, this is the exterior angle. Again we need to take exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, angle A plus angle ABC we need to write. That only I took. Okay. Now after that, which given in the question is angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Okay. So with this values, angle PBC value is this, angle A plus angle ACB less than as it is, angle QCB is angle A plus angle ABC. Now angle A will cancel. If you take, it will get transpose. If you take means minus will come. So angle A will cancel. Next angle ACB. Angle ACB, here angle ABC, which is less than. Okay, if angle ACB is nothing but, see, angle ACB. Angle ACB nothing but AB. For this angle, this is opposite side AB. Angle ABC, for this angle, this is the opposite side, so AC. So instead of this AB less than, instead of this angle side AC. Okay, AB is less than AC in the sense AC is only greater when compared to AB. So that is only our requirement. AC is greater than AB. Hence proved. Okay, I hope these two solutions you understood. Thank you.